Now we are going to watch Python Dictionary. Dictionary is a data structure in Python. Dictionary are enclosed in braces not as a single element present in key value pair. Okay, on list tuple set only values are presented. No key element is presented on list tuple set, but dictionary will present in key value pair. Dictionary is mutable as well as unordered. Okay, first create a dictionary. Okay, here I am just joining num and alpha. Here you could use both string element like name, that is equal to name colon name. So you could use like this, but I am going to previous used example. 1a, 2 is b, 3 colon c, 4 colon d, 5 colon e. Okay, 5 different values, and accessing dictionary. On accessing, print num alpha. I am taking all the values. Python app.py. Here you could see my all values has been printed. Now taking a selected value, print num alpha of 2. Here you could see second value is b. Then one thing you should note, if I add same key element with different value, it will take as last entered value. Here you could see f, but on the same key e value is also presented. It will take last entered value. Okay, so don't use same key in a dictionary. Then print num alpha dot key. It will print only key element. Now print num alpha dot values. It will print only value element. To print both, you could use num alpha dot items. It will print in a list and a single key value to a tuple. Okay, so completely on a list, a single key value pair in a tuple. Okay, then print type of num alpha. Okay, class dictionary. Now adding in dictionary, adding an element in a dictionary. Here num alpha of sixth element to g. Okay, num alpha of sixth element to g, print num alpha. Here the sixth element g is added. Copying in dictionary. Here dupli, that is equal to num alpha dot copy function. Okay, print dupli. My num alpha value has been duplicated. Okay, duplicated value is duplicate. Copying a value, then removing a value. Removing in dictionary. Okay, you could use delete option, delete duplicate of sixth element, then print the duplicated value. Here the sixth value is presented, after that sixth value has been deleted, and dupli dot remove, you could use pop function. In pop you need to mention which key do you want to erase. Okay, I want to erase the fifth element. Here you could see before fifth element is presented, now fifth element has been popped out. Then pop item. Pop item will remove the last element from the dictionary. Pop item function, then printing that. Here you could see the last value is removed. Then clear function, dupli dot clear function, it will clear all the values inside the duplicate. After that, update a value. Update in dictionary. Numalpha dot update. Here on the update, you should want to insert braces. So here I need to change sixth element, the value to F. Okay, print numalpha. Here again print numalpha. What happened? Numalpha length dictionary update sequence. Length 2 is, yeah, here not comma, you need to put a colon. Okay, so here you could see F value has been changed to, G value changed to F. To find the length of dictionary, here print length of numalpha. You could find totally 6 element has been presented in numalpha. Then get a value in dictionary. Get a value in dictionary. For that I am just storing a value in a variable name. Here numalpha dot get. Here you need to mention what key value do you need. Here I need a key value for fourth element. Then print 1. Okay, the fourth element is D. The key value for fourth element is D. Okay, now set default in dictionary. So set default is nothing but if there is a key and value, we are searching for that presented key, means existing key, the value will be printed. We can't able to change the value. If that particular key is not presented, we can able to assign new value for that key. Okay, on the simple time, this is set default res 1, that is equal to numalpha dot set default. I'm just taking, means I'm just getting a value for third element. Okay, res 1. Now here you could see value C is printed. On res 2, numalpha dot set default, On third element I need to replace a value for m. Print result 2. Here you could see my value doesn't change because it can't able to change the existing key values. If that particular key is not presented, we can able to assign a new value. Res3 that is equal to num alpha dot set default seventh element. I am just simply putting seventh element which is not presented in num alpha res3. It should want to print null. Now I am just assigning a value m to the seventh. Here you could see m is assigned to that seventh value. Here print num alpha seventh value is m is added to the dictionary. So this is the function of set default. Okay, now from keys in dictionary. So from keys is nothing but we can able to create a dictionary from two different values. Okay, here num equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and all 1 equal to a. Here result 1 that is equal to dictionary dot from keys, which two variable you need to merge into a single dictionary. Here num and a1. Okay, print result 1. Here you could see 1 2 3 4 5 and the value corresponding value is a. Okay, you can able to create a values, so you can able to create a dictionary using different values. Now finally looping a dictionary. On looping we can able to loop a key alone, we can able to loop a value alone, and we can able to loop both the things. Okay, num alpha dot keys, num alpha dot key function, not from for key in num alpha dot keys. Here print keys. Okay, here print not keys, key. Here you could see my key alone printed. Same like that for value in num alpha dot values function. Here print value. Okay, first key, now values alone. We can able to print both items also. For key comma value in num alpha dot items function, then colon print key comma quotes comma then value. Okay, so this is how you need to write to print both values. Now you could see 1a, 2b, 3c, 4d. We can able to print however we want. So let's come to the summary. Python dictionary. Dictionary is a data structure in Python that are enclosed in braces, but it will presented in key value pair element. Dictionary is mutable, which we can able to change, delete and alter the value, and unordered. Num alpha adding a value, key dictionary, key value items, then type, copy function, then pop. For the update, don't forget to put braces to get a value. The set default is function is for the existing value, key value, we can't able to change anything. For the new key, we can able to set a value. Then dictionary from keys, we can able to create a dictionary from two different values, and looping a statement.